Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Legends of Grace. My name is John Carlos. I've got everything set up here to show you guys how I pack. I've already packed 4 times and I gotta do it again. The only difference now is that I have a scale. So if you're packing and you don't have a scale, that is super crucial to this process. I know this process very well. I lose lots of sleep whenever I'm packing and I'm going on a trip. Okay guys, so I'm packing, I've got my scale, I've got these 2 backpacks. I've got to take everything out of that backpack and put it in that one because this one's too big for Frontier. It's too bulky and it's going to be an issue to compress it. It has tons of straps, which I like. This is a Highland tactical backpack. It was a gift from my mom last year when I decided to get sober, and I love it. I want to take it with me, but I might have to leave it on this trip. And this is a medium-sized suitcase from Modus. It's kind of dirty. I had it on the floor. I know that initially everything was under, I want to say under 35 pounds. That's the way I felt. But now we have a scale. So let's get to it. I've already packed minimum 4 times. I stayed up till 5 o'clock in the morning last night watching shorts on YouTube. And surprisingly, I boasted a lot about my algorithm for YouTube because I was just getting so much cool stuff. But around those times of 5 o'clock in the morning, all I was getting was shooting, robberies, fighting, a lot of like really scary situations. People getting shot, people getting mugged, robbed, attacked. So I was wondering like what happened to the algorithm between from dusk till dawn. Like, anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start packing because it's hot. I can't wait to get away from Dominican Republic. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have laid out all my stuff to get ready for packing. So I just want to show you real quick my setup. I've got, you know, like dress pants for like interviews and for job. And then I've got short sleeve shirts folded neatly. I've got t-shirts for hanging out. I've got some more pants. I've got some work pants. These are all work pants actually. They go in the same pile. These are my long sleeve shirts for the interview stuff, the work stuff. And these are my polos. I got socks. I got tank tops, which I really need more because the bleach and the washing system out here ruined the majority of them. I got underwear and I've got swimming trunks. And I got my shoes lined up and I got my scale, I got my chargers, I've got some toiletries and some things. And of course I got my suitcase empty and my backpack as well. Okay, so the more you compact and the more you fold your clothes, the easier it's going to be to pack. Of course, since the majority of my clothes are already folded, all I have to do is organize them in such a way that they all fit comfortably in my luggage. The hardest part of this whole process is folding the clothes, compacting them to appropriate sizes. So if you dial that in, you should be fine. It's pretty simple. It does get more complicated towards the end when you're finding room for all the other stuff. If you haven't watched my video on how I fold my pants and my shirts, I encourage you to go ahead. It's the quick folds video for travel packing. So go ahead and check that out before you start throwing your stuff in the luggage so you can make more room, avoid heavy bags, and just have an easier trip through customs, immigration, the whole security, everything. I've got 2 over there. I'm gonna put 2 more over here. This is 3 actually. This one is heavier, these are heavier. So I want to keep it, these are super light. So I'll add that one because it's heavier, so that way I try to keep the weight balanced. So as you can see, everything's fitting snugly. I want to push everything to the edge, keep that room in the middle because you might be putting stuff there. Pants out, like my work pants, my tactical pants, they're heavier. And these dress pants are super heavy as well. So So I'm gonna take those out. I'll take my other pair of tactical pants. And I'll put these in. I'll take these two out. So I'm gonna pack these 4 pants in my backpack. That's that. I'll slide this over here. So there's 2 and 2 on each side. 2 and 2 on each side. And I still got one more to pack, so I'll just put it over here. That's the wild card. Press it. Okay, so now I feel like I should pack my t-shirts because they're light and there's not a lot of them in my backpack. And now my long sleeve shirts, since there's a lot of them, I'm gonna put 2 over here, 2 more over here, 2 on each corner. Now I'm gonna put 1 polo. Just because there's 4 of them. Doesn't have to be perfectly last of the last, so let me see, I got 4. Perfect, that's 1 for each square. 1. I got 2 of those. 1. And then finally, last one. And you just get these lined up. I want to see how far we're going. How far off are we doing this? Let me get on the scale real quick and measure it. Because maybe I can fit all my clothing. It looks like a lot, but it's not. It's too light. It's way too light. I'll leave the shirts out and I'll bring the pants. Since there's 4 of them, I'll put 1 on each corner. Another one. That way the weight is, I'm probably distributing the weight super well. Because before I was just putting stacks of pants on one corner, stacks of pants on the other corner. I wasn't mindful of the weight transfer. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw these shirts on here too as well, since there's 4 of them. 4 is definitely a good number for packing, as you can tell. It just fits. Okay, that one came on then, but 4 is definitely a good number. This pile had 5 actually, but it's okay, we'll make room for it. While you're packing, you should be ready mentally to constantly be closing your stuff up. I'm sweating, it's hot up in here. The sun is beaming on the sheet metal. Okay, that's packed up. That's packed up. Let's try it again. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be light. And that's weird because all of it's in this luggage and it was heavier before. Let's see, I'll tell you right now. Oh yeah, I'm picking it up with ease. Okay, so I remember how to do it now. So. Okay guys, so I almost gave up just now because I was struggling getting the weight of the luggage on the scale. It's a big luggage and it's a flat scale, so it's covering the dial. I couldn't see it and I was recording, holding the phone and the luggage, and it was just really complicated, so I almost just quit the video, but I figured it out. So just bear with me. I know this is very unorthodox, but if you stand on top of the scale and then pick up the luggage over your head, it should give you an accurate, somewhat reading. I weigh in at 175, and with the luggage over my head, it dials into 210. So 175 plus a quarter, that's 200 plus 10, which is the weight that I was going for. I still have an extra 15 pounds left, which is a lot. It's under 175. Now I'm picking up the luggage. It's 208. So it's like 175 to 208. 175 to 208, that's a quarter plus 8. 5 plus 8, 33. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to find a place for my shoes to fit, so that way I don't carry them in my backpack. I put one shoe on top of the other, like this, and I push them down, and I tuck them in. And they fit snug like that. These are kind of heavier, so I'll put them on the other side, counterbalance. Same thing. Let me see if I can put them sideways. Of course I can. RBX, I love these shoes. They were a gift from my mom. I've had them for a year now, and they still look good. I still use them to work out.
I don't believe they're going to fit sideways, so I just tuck them in like that. Okay, these leather dress shoes are really small. They're really flat. Flatten them down and tuck them in. I still got the middle space. See, now we're really compacting. We're using those crevices to pack it down. I'm going to put socks because they're so small, and my shoes are already in here. So I'm tucking the socks in. Okay, I've got 5 pair of socks tucked in. Let's see if I can get one more in the row. In the row socks. Okay. I got 3 that time. Let's see the other side. Keep it balanced. I've got that space in the middle. I'm going to tuck my socks down under. I feel like the weight is going to skyrocket now. It's going to be, I want to say another, at least 10 pounds. Hopefully not that much. Okay, so all my socks are packed up, and I still got room. So I'm going to go ahead and just throw some deodorant. No, actually, that's good. I'm going to unpack this. Oh yeah, I'm going to put my toiletry, because it's just so much cushion right there. And I'm not even tuck this. I guess I can fit on the other side. You need a pair of socks. I can put my toiletry right there, and I have one more. It's kind of bulky. I'll put this on my shoe. There it is. Snug fit. Okay? So I feel like I'm maxing out my bag now. I still got some space. I guess this fits perfectly. I recommend taking out the packaging. And this smells really good. Christmas. Secret Santa at church. I'm putting this stuff inside the shoe. It's plastic, so it's not going to shatter. This stuff smells amazing, actually. I don't use that San Diego hair thumb. Okay, that's tucked in. See what else I got. Extra toothbrush. I'll take that with me. Smooth pieces. I got 2 of them, so I'll tuck one away. Put it inside the shoe. My hairbrush. I don't have hair yet. When my hair grow out, I have to be ready for that. Chapstick. I'll take one. There we go. I've had this chapstick for a year and I haven't used it, so that's a good thing because I'm chapped. But I'm just gonna carry one. I've got sugar cookie, pumpkin pie. I'm gonna go with candy cane just because it's the odd one out. All the other ones are same color. All right, and that's pretty much it for this luggage. I'm gonna call it out right there, and let's get back on the scale. All right, one pair of socks. Tuck that right there. Yeah, this side got some weight on it now.
Okay, so I've got the scale dialed into 0. I'm gonna get on it and put the new weight over my shoulders. We'll check my weight. 175. I'm at 175. Oh God, this thing has wheels. Here we go. Okay, so 175 to 220. It comes out to 41 pounds. Alright guys, so for my backpack, I've got my calendar, some recording stuff, an extra light, deodorant, toothbrush, Sharpie, chapstick. I've got my underwear, I've got my tank tops, and I've got my swimming trunks and my chargers. I'm gonna have a lot of room. Like this time around, I've packed very well with my luggage. It's ready. I hope you guys have a good day today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, if you guys enjoyed this video or found this video instructional or inspirational, let me know by hitting the comments, and we invite you to please hit the like button if you like this video, and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much and enjoy your day.